Oh, didn't see you there. Hey everyone, Matt Sines here. Today I want to take a moment and talk to you about large deposits. See, when you're purchasing a home, the lender typically needs to source where your funds are coming from for down payment and closing costs. And if there's any recent large deposits going into your bank accounts, the lender needs to know where those funds are coming from. This is seen as kind of a red flag. Could be coming from another loan or other unsavory means, which can impact your ability to make payments down the road. Typically speaking, unsecured borrowed funds, if like a personal loan or a credit card, cannot be used for down payment and closing costs. The one exception is VA loans. Now, back to the documentation. Typically, if there's large deposits, we need to document where those funds came from. Documentation may include things like another bank statement, a gift letter, a copy of a check if receiving a gift. It can also include things like if you sell personal property or a car, a bill of sale, and just kind of showing the paper trail of where the funds came from and into your bank account. Now, a definition of a large deposit is also going to vary depending upon the circumstances. Typically, this is 25% or more of your gross monthly income. So anything above that amount, the underwriter, the lender is going to require additional documentation. But that's not always the case. Sometimes it can be a dollar amount. For instance, anything over $1,000 needs to be sourced, shown where those funds came from. It can also be kind of situational based too. If we see a transaction, a large deposit, for the exact amount for what you need to close, an underwriter may question that and may require additional documentation. Now, again, if you've heard me a couple times say documentation. Documentation is absolutely key. If you're not able to get documentation, or if you use cash for a deposit, typically we're not able to use those funds. In that case, we may have to reduce the account balance or maybe not even use that account at all. For more information about this topic and how it pertains to your situation, please feel free to reach out.